Hey guys, once again I'm back. Now we're gonna be looking at the Ozark Trail outdoor equipment multi-tool. So comes with a little nylon sheath. Pretty good belt clip, about 2 inches. Should fit on anyone's belt, but yeah, let's check out the contents. This is the multi-tool. It's a pretty nice one. It fits in my hand nice. Okay. I'll just flip that open. That's the main pliers. The thing about this is that you don't have to peel it back open. It is spring-loaded. So, squeeze it, it'll go back. Squeeze it, it'll go back. One con about this is that oil keeps leaking out of this little place, and yeah, not too happy about that, but if it does run out, I have some more multi-tools that are a bit more higher quality than this. So, yeah, let's check out the blades and tools. Okay, so the first thing is, let's find out. A serrated blade. Yeah, so it's just a little serrated blade, good for cutting tasks and whatnot. I'm just gonna lean the camera up against the sheath. Yeah, that won't work. Lean it up against this, maybe. Yeah, so again, serrated blade. Let's check out the other tool. The next tool is a little can opener. It's a nice little one, not too expensive. Yeah. The next tool on this side is Phillips head screwdriver. That's pretty nice, just do some screws with that. And then there's a can opener, but I'm not going to go through the hustle of getting that out. Next one is the unserrated knife. The thing I like about this is it has a clip point, which most people that study this stuff like me knows what a clip point is. I'm not going to explain that, but it's made for penetrating. Okay. Next, a two-toothed saw. It's a pretty nice little saw. Okay. Okay, yeah. That is the review on the Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment Multi-Tool. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is Sergeant Skull, and I'll see you on the fields.